portion of sinus venerum in front of crista terminalis. So I will write here in front of crista terminalis. It will develop into three different structures. And what are those three different structures? Please come on this side. Those three different structures are: number one, the upper part of the right venous valve plus septum spurium will develop into, where my hand is there, crista terminalis. Number two, intermediate part of right venous valve plus sinus septum will develop into valve of inferior vena cava. Number three, the caudalmost part of the right venous valve will lead to development of valve of coronary sinus. So here these three are the structures of the sinus venerum, that is the smooth posterior wall of right atrium in front of crista terminalis. Please come on this side. So therefore we have finished the development of right atrium first point, that is about smooth posterior wall or sinus venerum behind crista terminalis, in front of crista terminalis. Behind crista terminalis was from the right horn of sinus venosus, and in front of crista terminalis into from the three different points, three different segments: the upper part of the right venous valve plus septum spurium, then the intermediate part of the right venous valve plus sinus septum, and the caudal part of right venous valve, and all those three developing into number one, crista terminalis; number two, valve of inferior vena cava; number three, valve of coronary sinus. Very simple, and these questions can be asked in 1 mark question answer or in MCQs. So first point of development of right atrium is over. Now second point, development of right atrium. Smooth posterior wall or sinus venerum we have finished. Now anterior wall. Anterior wall of right atrium is also known as the trabeculated portion of right atrium. It is also known as the trabeculated portion of the right atrium. Very simple. So the anterior wall is also known as, in some gross anatomy textbooks they have mentioned it as the rough anterior wall. So the rough anterior wall of the right atrium, which is also called trabeculated wall of right atrium, will develop from the right half of primitive atrial chamber or primitive atrium. So it will develop from the right half of primitive atrium. Very simple. It is as simple as it is. From the right half of primitive atrium. And this portion includes the anterior wall as well as the right auricle. So if you please come on this side. Here I will show that, I will color it with green color. This segment is what we show as the anterior wall. This will be the anterior wall, and here I will write this as, I will mention this as the anterior wall of right atrium, which will develop from, here also I will write the development from the right half of primitive atrium. Very simple. Now the third and the final point. Please come on this side. Third point about development of right atrium will be the most ventral part. Now this is the ventralmost part of the right atrium. The most ventral part of right atrium. Very simple. It will develop from right half of atrioventricular canal. So right half of atrioventricular canal. This is the right half of atrioventricular canal. Please come on this side. Therefore, where my hand is there, this is the most ventral part of right atrium. So the most ventral part of right atrium, and here I will just give orange color. This is the most ventral part of the right atrium. I will write it as the most ventral part of the right atrium. It is going to develop from right half of atrioventricular canal. So here I can mention this as how it is developed from the right half of atrioventricular canal. So it has developed from the right half of atrioventricular canal. Here we finish the entire development of right atrium. So very fast, the entire development of right atrium is based on these 3 points. Number 1, the smooth wall or the sinus venerum. Number 2, the anterior wall or trabeculated wall or the rough anterior wall, which will develop from the right half of primitive atrium. And number 3, the ventralmost part, which will develop from right half of atrioventricular canal. Here we finish the entire development of right atrium. Thank you very much.